Okay, today in the Lion's Den, we are in Houston, Texas for an auction we're having August 18th for BSI Construction, and we're looking at a Cat 374 FL, 5,400 hours, 2,800 hours of idle time. This is a nice machine. You don't see these for sale every day. Cat 374 FL. As you can hear it running there, it's got a good bucket, 13-foot stick, hydraulic quick coupler. And there you go, August 18th, Houston, Texas, our Rankin Road facility, Cat 374. This is one of two 374s we will have in this sale, along with a bunch of other Cat excavators, Cat dozers, Cat rollers. August 18th.